Welcome to the Einstar Vega tutorials, how to scan black objects with less geometry features. Let's use this vase as an example. For objects around 25 centimeters, both HD and fast modes are available. You can choose HD mode for more detailed results or fast mode for higher scanning efficiency. This time, we're using HD mode for higher resolution. We highly recommend using markers on objects with flat surfaces to ensure a smooth scanning experience and achieve accurate results. You can choose 3mm or 6mm markers. If you need texture information, please open the texture camera window and adjust the exposure level to best restore the object's original color. Now it's time to start scanning. Remember to move steadily, ensure that at least 4 markers remain within the field of view, and avoid jumping to a blank area without previously scanned data. You can select the one-click fast mesh option. However, for objects with deep holes, be cautious with the watertight option. If you need a 3D model that can be printed directly, you should choose the watertight option. However, if you want to preserve the original data, avoid selecting the watertight HD mesh and opt for manual mesh generation instead. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to learn more tips and techniques about 3D scanning. See you next time.